Learning about the skeleton directory in WHM. This demo assumes you've already logged into Web Host Manager, WHM. Now let's learn about the skeleton directory. Click the Account Functions link. Scroll down a little bit. Then click Skeleton Directory. The skeleton directory is where you put a temporary home page for all accounts you create in WHM. The temporary home page is what visitors will see in their browsers until a new home page is uploaded to the account. In this tutorial, the reseller's account's main username is mybiz123, so that's where the skeleton directory is located as shown here. To change the temporary or default home page, simply upload a new page to the cPanel 3 scale directory in the location shown above, using either an FTP program or the File Manager tool in your main account's cPanel. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to view the skeleton directory in WHM.